Hey guys, good to see you guys again. It's December 2nd today, and in this video I'm working on my original Gator. First thing we gotta do is we gotta get it out of the shop. That should work, right? Maybe. It's sitting for 2 or 3 months. That tire's flat. Perfect. Come on, Gator. Not so good. Are we out of gas? Aw, we're out of gas. I'm gonna be pushing. Fine. What it looks like right now. Stop bumping my camera, buddy.
Static. Hey, get out of here.
I cut all the zip ties. I'm just pulling the body off. So we can have a look at that U-joint. So the first thing we're going to fix today is this U-joint. I think this U-joint is shot. Look how much play is in it. This isn't moving, but like the knuckle itself is perfect. It's great. It's fine. It's awesome. Where are my shoes? So in order for me to get this off, I've never tried to take it off. How do I get it off? So let's take the two 10 millimeters off that's on this bearing. Come on, camera. Now you can see what I'm seeing. Undo those bolts. Can you see them?
Daddy?
Yep.
Have a vanilla yolk.
Well, I'll go get it for you in a minute, sweetheart. So it's held on by 4 bolts.
Hair scratcher.
Bearing does things, comes off there, so I got the bolts for that. We got to do some more stuff because like this moves. We got to undo the steering knuckle at the beginning. Like, I don't know, where it goes onto the steering shaft. Onto the electronic power steering. Do it from the one side, that'd be cool. I made that really easy to access. You see that?
Oh, that's cool.
I can get it off without shorting out everything. That'd be cool. Fun times. Okay. Here's the second one. Ka-chow. Boop, boop. Just see if we can do it with a screwdriver. See if she actually does come up. Oh, look at that. Yes, look at that. Hey man, I did a pretty good job. That's not bad. The splines look beautiful. Good enough. We pull up on it, it should come out of there. So this part will be loose. This part's loose. With any luck, we should be able to get this out. There we go. I remember it can move in that from the go-kart place, which is dope. Made things a lot easier. Okay, ready? Wow. Nice. She's out. Game on. You guys gotta see what I'm doing. Cutting it right there. Cutting some burger, guys. Those sparks on my shit. Yeah, sparks on my shit. zone. Let's make some mistakes. Hold your breath. Little taxi cab. Actually looks pretty decent. That's hot. Okay. Back in a minute after I clean this all up. Okay. I don't know when you guys died. That's okay. This is what it looks like now. That's my new U-joint. I cleaned up all the shaft all the way. I think it looks pretty decent actually. I'm gonna take that cardboard in the background there and just hit it with the rattle can real quick. So, throw my mask on, open up the door again. Sweet. Camera's back on, battery's charged up enough. Okay. This is what it looks like now. I gave it a, rattle can paint job after I used a flap disc on it to get it all clean. But now, let's just throw it back in, okay? Real quick, put it back. And then we can move on to tires. Okay, I don't know what's going on with the GoPro, it's doing weird stuff. But I took the key switch off the body. I bolted everything back down. So it looks like now. It's a little bit, actually a little more cleaner. Nice. There it is. I'll show you. Absolutely no play in it now. See that? Win. I'm in. Sweet. Okay. So I'm gonna put the key switch on. We're gonna test out the power steering. Ready? You guys watch for sparks. Nope. You ready? No slop in the steering. Win. Okay. Next, let's get these big tires off, or these front tires off, and get the big wides on, and start working on front brakes. Oh, cool, perfect. The alignment may be off a little bit. We gotta fix that while we're here. That's one side. There's that one. This is the one with bad bulge inside. Good. Hey, ooh, bearings are nice. Wheels are off, guys. Let's throw those calipers on. See if they actually do caliper stuff. With the bleeder facing up. No. Power stay on, please. No, power stay on, please. Come on, don't do that. A couple seconds there. Yes. So the brake is doing. Thanks, son. So there you go, guys. That's one side. Let's go do the other side. This is my passenger side. Just moving this brake line. It's angled the wrong way. I'm in. Connecting it to the distribution block. Okay, I gotta go wash my hands, guys.
Ow!
There it is.
Can't do it.
It won't move.
Yeah, no.
Oh no.
Let me get up here. We're gonna sit on it. Daddy, where do you find your power?
So I ran into a problem with these calipers and these front tires.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
They hit the rim with the nut
Vroom, vroom.
for the brake line. Perfect. I don't know why that's just there. There we go. That's way better. Turns out the bolts were a little bit walled out. That's nice. I'm in. I'll take that all day. Hell yeah! That's number 2. Finally got him to roll. Bolt holes were a little while ago. Let's drop it on the ground, throw the body on. I basically got the calipers to clear the rims, so everything's good to go for when we actually do finish the brakes. It won't be in this video, guys. I still have to do another pedal and a brake booster. I got all the lines run, so they run right to the little distribution block, and they run back and to the pedal over here. But I don't have another brake booster right now until after Christmas time. I won't have another one, so let's take it for a little test drive, you know what I mean? Good. Here she starts. Doors open.
Yeah.
Ready? A little less slop and everything now. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Game on.
Come
Choke
on.
on run. It's gonna go. That's good that time.